Hey YouTube, Rockstar.
And Mustang.
Alright guys, this is our 1 week on our Tulammo torture test. So we're going to head out to the range. We're going to put some rounds down range, see how our tests do for our water submersion, our berry test, and our moisture test. So we'll see you guys out there.
Alright YouTube, see you on the range.
Later guys.
Hold your hand out. Dry Pro on.
I know Josh. Hey guys, that was our range time, and those are our results. You've seen it firsthand. 1 week, all 3 tests right there, success. So we're going to talk about our first test.
Alright, the first test we did was elements, the exposure to the elements. You saw in the video, we dug up the rounds, pretty much just wiped them off a little bit and inspected them. No major corrosion or rust, nothing like that. Just some dirt on them, wiped them off, threw it in the magazine and ran it through our weapon. Performed just fine. For safety reasons, we wanted to fire slowly. We don't do any rapid fire for audible pop. You want to explain that for the people?
Yep. All right, guys. Audible pop. This is when our rounds chambered. firing pin hits our primer, and our primer's going off, and either none or just a little bit of our powder inside of our rounds igniting, and it's letting that round go all the way out the barrel. The round's actually going to get lodged in the barrel, creating what they call audible pop. It's a distinguished, typically a distinguished noise. You can hear the difference in it, and you don't have much of a recoil, but that leaves a round lodged in your barrel. So you putting another round down that barrel is going to make a lot of barrel pressure, because neither of the rounds can get out, and it can cause bad things for your gun and you while you're firing. So as you also see on our video, eye pro, ear pro, and gloves, all for proper PPE was worn at the time.
Yep.
But there you go. So that was our main concern, was audible pop.
Yep. So first test went through pretty good, and our next one was the water submersion test.
There you go.
So.
All right, guys, water submersion test. I opened up the 5-gallon bucket, and immediately the water wasn't tap water color anymore. It wasn't clear, see-through. It was completely looked like a rust bucket, you know.
It was nasty.
All the corrosion and rust and nastiness that was coming off of those rounds just after 1 week. It shocked me. I almost didn't think that those rounds were going to fire. Pulled the rounds out. You could see the protective layer that was on the steel casings had started to wear off in certain parts, and there's some significant surface rust on the rounds. Main concern was the seal between the casing and the round itself being broken, and water getting up there and getting the powder wet, and then the round would malfunction and wouldn't fire. But so the seal was good on the round. There's a little bit of surface rust, and the coating was getting, the non-corrosive coating was getting worn off the steel casing. Just wiped them off the hand a little bit, shook them off, popped them in the mag, and performed just fine. Our next test was our moisture test. Again, we opened up the bucket that we were, the little container that we had it in. You couldn't see on the actual video, but the rounds had a little bit of surface rust on them, just a little bit, tiny specks. Nothing major or anything like that. I didn't think that we were going to have a problem running those through a gun at all. But I would definitely be surprised, if those the rounds that are submerged in the water last another week, just by the looks of them. But we'll see.
Yeah, I think by next week we'll have to really inspect those rounds before we run them through.
Yeah.
We'll be sure to do that. But overall, great success. I was definitely, the water submersion was number one. The exposure to the elements, the ones that were buried, it was iffy. I was surprised those were pretty clean as they were. But overall, great success. It was fun. This is for you guys. Just want to let you know, we don't work for Tulammo. We don't have any connection with them. We're just regular guys buying it from Walmart. So we have nothing to gain from the results of this test.
Absolutely we do.
Well,
the knowledge of these rounds function. So
we don't gain anything like money. No connections to Tulammo. We're doing this for you guys and for us. We've heard a lot of bad stuff about the steel casing, so we're putting it to the test. We
Absolutely.
are truly 100% put into one of the most extreme tests you can probably put for ammo. So,
yeah.
Yeah. So anything you want to add?
That's about it, guys. Hey, just stay tuned. Next week we're going to be doing our week 2 test. Same test all again. We're just going to see how they function, and maybe see if some of these actually fail or succeed. So.
Just to let you guys know, we're about a week behind. We had some technical difficulties, but we are doing the tests each week. We're doing them on the same time frame. It's just the matter of which the videos.
Yeah, getting the videos up a week behind.
But we got the technology figured out. This guy over here is getting better, so we should be on schedule for these next few videos. So looking forward to it. I hope you guys had fun. Hope you learned a lot. Any questions, concerns, hit us up. Let us know what you think, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. So
subscribe, like, leave us some comments, tell us what you think.
So, but this is Mustang.
Stay. Second?
Wait.
5
Yeah,
days, 25.
second.
Yeah, second.
Thumbs up. Something's out in the woods. Hear it out there?
Mm-hmm.
I can manage we didn't miss.